Welcome back to Hot Lemons. Right, we're gonna make sweet potato mash today. Just wait for cameraman to finish chuckling. You sound like a schoolgirl. Alright, so I'm making sweet potato today. This is a very simplified way to make it. In my opinion, the best way to make it. Great flavour, great texture. Yeah, all that shit.
You're phased by that slap, aren't you? You can't even concentrate on what he's saying. You're just like, that fucker just slapped me on camera.
Right, so what I've done, right, about half an hour ago, I got a load of sweet potatoes, put them on the tray, I put them in the oven at 220 degrees. It's been about half an hour now, and they're ready. Here's one I prepared earlier. The way you know they're cooked is you can just, ooh, steamy. You can just push into them like that.
I'll explode.
Yeah, you want it to be that guy.
I've never seen an exploding sweet potato before.
That's Mill, you haven't seen anything before.
Jesus.
And then, yeah, the skin, it just peels straight off like that. Should let this cool down a bit before I burn myself.
What are we going to be doing with these sweet potatoes?
Make a mash.
Making mash. Have you already said that? I don't know if you said mash.
I feel like I did, but you were just concentrating on that little fucking girly slap you gave out and stuff.
Slap, mate. What are you on about? Your fucking head rotating like an owl.
So the really nice thing about roasting your sweet potatoes is that it brings out a bit of the sugar and it gives it like a caramelized kind of flavour. Rather than if you boil it, it doesn't really complement the flavour at all, it just makes it watery. Also, it dries it out so you get a nice creamy mash.
Yeah. When I used to be a gym boy back in the day, my breakfast would always be like 8 sweet potatoes with 0 fat milk.
You are chatting so much shit right now.
Man.
You are chatting so much shit.
I used to get the little ones, they're really small.
8 sweet potatoes.
Yeah, not this size, mate. They're like half the size. So like 4 of these. I get no fat milk, dip them in. That would be my brekkie, mate. Because Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson said sweet potatoes are the best carb.
They do say that it's a bodybuilder superfood.
Yeah.
Actually, this is true. If you do the same method with mash that I'm about to do, it's gonna go super gluey. But if you do it with sweet potato, it just comes out really nice and creamy. Salt. Salt up that bitch.
Black peps.
A bit of black peps. A little bit of butter. You know, us bodybuilders, we need a little bit of fat in our diet. Not too much. Probably works better, to be fair.
So we're having processed food tonight, eh?
This guy thinks he's so funny. Do you want some cheese with your mash later? You're cheesy.
Yeah. Looks like frosting.
And by the way, Emil, you did never have any bodybuilder days.
God,
You played football semi-professional.
Yeah.
Talking about bodybuilding.
I was 260 pounds lean, Floyd. Lean. How do we eat this? Just straight up?
Yeah, just straight up, dude.
What do you recommend people eat this with?
This will go really nice with like a beef stew. Like
Beef
if you've got
stew?
like a really rich sauce of it, like bacony sauce. This would be amazing of it.
That's mad flavour.
2 ingredients, Vlad.
Wow.
And the trick is when you roast it, you get the caramelization.
Yeah, this is not, when I was a bodybuilder, I did not get this flavour from it at all. Tell you what else, the texture, it's like ice cream. It's literally like ice cream.
Do you reckon Dwayne "Rock" Johnson would approve?
Man, Dwayne he'd eat a bowl of this every morning, that's what he'd do. That is like sweet potato ice cream, that's what it's like. If you put this in a fridge or freezer, you're eating sweet potato ice cream.
Fridge or freezer. Your woman pleaser.
Give them what they need.
When life gives you lemons,
Make them into an ice cream.